Hi everyone, this is going to be an updated video showing you how to incorporate the eCampus templates into your own eCampus courses. We made some improvements to the templates. Template number 1 looks like this. It has one more button. The announcements was added to it. We also made sure that most of these buttons are linked to the proper navigation. Template number 2 looks the same. Again, the links were updated. So start is going to link to modules, syllabus to syllabus, announcements to announcements. Additional resources leads to a new page, and then the WebEx room is going to lead to your personalized WebEx room. So once you've viewed both of these templates and you've chosen which one to use, go into your course that you're trying to build, and from the home page, click on Import from Commons. Search by typing LHHS, and then you will find template and template number 2 looking like this. I will choose one to show you all of this. So click on it, click on Import, and import this into whichever course you're trying to work on. I will just choose a temporary course. Okay, go to your course that you're just now importing into. And then your home page should already have the imported template. If it doesn't, you can refresh the page and wait for a little bit longer, or you can go to Pages to verify that the template page is your front page. You can click on View All Pages, and then this is what you should be seeing. Your template 102 should be the front page. If it's not, click on the 3 dots right here, and you will have the option Use as Front Page. Click on that, and then that should correct the issue. Okay, let's go back to the home page. So once we have imported the template, we can now edit it and customize it. So you will change the course title, you will add your picture, all the information in the little table that's here, and then let's talk about the buttons. So again, Start is linked to modules. Syllabus is properly linked. The only one that is not linked is the WebEx room. That's the one that you have to link yourself. To do that, go to your WebEx and just copy your personal room link. Go back to the template that you're working on. Click on WebEx room and click on Link to URL. Paste your link, and now this is going to lead your students to your WebEx room. If you don't want to have this button, you can just select and delete it. If you want to add a new one, you can do that as well. You have to go to this website, the Button Factory, and you will make your new button. For example, I will make one that simply says New. You probably want to match it to the blue and silver as the template. I believe it's the one with the curved sides. The background, I believe, is this blue one. There is a border, a light gray border. That looks about right. So then you want to click on Embed. Select this link. Copy it. Go back to your course that you're building. Click on Embed Image. Paste the link, and now you have a new button. Okay, you're not done yet. This button is now linked to any navigation, so you have to fix that as well. I will save it for the time being. Let's say I want to fix that new button to grades. I will click on grades. I will copy the link for grades. I will go back to the home page, edit, and now I will select the new button, click on Link to URL, and I will paste the right link, that is the grade link in this case, then you can save it. So you can customize the buttons as you see fit. Okay, at this point what you want to do is check if all of your links work. Before doing that, there's one thing we have to do. For any buttons that you have here, you have to make sure that the links are properly linked to the navigation and that those are enabled. So our start, again, leads to modules. Modules are enabled, looks good. The syllabus leads to syllabus, which is also enabled for your students to view. Announcements are also enabled. And then the web extreme is obviously separate. If, let's say, you have a quiz button, you have to make sure that these are enabled. To enable them, you have to go into settings, click on navigation, and just drag the quizzes to the top section, which is the one that includes the enabled navigation buttons. Let's go again. Okay. Then you go to the bottom, you click on save. And now your quiz is an enabled feature. And then you can link that to a quiz button if that is what you wanted to do. So one more time, these have to have the proper link, and the navigation has to be enabled, or your students will not be able to access the link. So let's check things now. Start. Takes me to modules. Syllabus takes me to syllabus. And announcements takes me to announcements. Does not need to fix this, it's taking me to grades. I'm going to go to announcements, copy this link, back to the home page, edit. So my announcements need to take me to announcements. I will remove this link, obviously the wrong one, and I will link to URL, and I will paste the right link, the announcements link. I will save, and now I will go into student view just to see if everything is working out for the students as well. And that works. Check the announcements. Alright, for those of you who have used the templates before they were updated, all you have to make sure is that your buttons are properly linked to the right navigation, and those navigations are enabled, and you should be good to go. Okay, I hope this was helpful.